Ramp's Vendor Management tab allows you to see all of your vendor data across Ramp cards and bill payments in one consolidated view. You can leverage the search and filter options above to refine which vendors you're looking at on this page. The homepage will show your vendors and key information such as your total spend with them and your spend in the last 30 days. You're also able to see the vendor status to differentiate your active vendors from vendors your team is no longer using. You're able to note which vendors are inactive to ensure you do not accidentally pay them using Ramp's Bill Pay by clicking the edit icon to the right of vendor status. In addition, if you upload your contract to Ramp, you'll notice that Ramp will flag the last day to terminate the contract so you are not accidentally auto-renewed for any vendors you are planning to cancel. Clicking into the vendor will show your company spend history. This is broken into card transactions and bill payments. For bill payments, you're able to see the invoice number, date, amount, and status, as well as the contract or tax documents if applicable. Scrolling down, you can see the vendor details and contact information. If you would like to leave a comment on the vendor in Ramp, you can navigate to the History tab on the right. This will show when the vendor was created and any previous comment history. This is helpful when discussing vendor relationships internally to ensure all relevant parties have access and full visibility into vendor status. You can add a new vendor to Ramp by clicking New Vendor in the upper right corner. You'll start by inputting the name of the vendor and then adding vendor details such as the default category for line items, vendor owner, contract start and end dates, and vendor contact information. Once you press Create Vendor, you will see the new vendor displayed in your Vendor tab. If you are uploading multiple new vendors to Ramp, you can take advantage of our bulk options by clicking the three dots to the left of New Vendor or by selecting Migrate Payments to the right. This will bring you to a window where you can upload a credit card statement or link your card provider account. A best practice here is to upload your statement as it also retrieves cardholder information for each merchant and helps onboard teams onto Ramp more seamlessly.